Pão de queijo, or cheese bread, Brazilian cheese bread, is delicious and it has a really interesting texture. It's really chewy because of the tapioca flour rather than a regular flour, which is why I love it, because I try not to eat too much flour. We're gonna start out by warming a little bit of milk and vegetable oil together, just a little bit of a simmer. Now, once this comes to a little bit of a simmer, what I have in this bowl is tapioca flour only, okay? I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to that tapioca flour and mix it up. While I'm waiting for the milk to heat up, I'm just gonna do this little mixture real quick. I've got eggs, scrambled eggs here. I'm gonna add that to cheese. Now the cheese can be any of your favorites. I've got a little Parmesan and I have some cheddar here. So let's go ahead and just mix that up really well. I'm gonna bring my bowl front and center. Okay, so once this is warm, as it is, go ahead and pour that warmed milk and oil into the tapioca flour. Now you can do this in a stand mixer, but I personally prefer it using my hands. It is quite a bit of massaging to get this into a dough, but it's actually really good for the muscles. So let's go ahead and start mixing this together. It's gonna look like it doesn't want to come together, but believe me, it actually does. So once you see this all really coming together, go ahead and add your cheese egg mixture to it. And then you just keep working it and working it. And trust me, you will eventually get a dough. All right, so go ahead and set the temperature in your kitchen oven to anywhere from 375 to 400. I noticed that it doesn't really make a difference, and obviously with a higher temperature you get a little bit more color, and you need to cook it a little bit less. With a lower temperature, you just have to cook it a little bit more. Place it on a cookie sheet like this one. I like to cook it on parchment paper. Actually, this morning I cooked some without the parchment paper because I forgot. Didn't stick at all. I think it has enough oils from the cheeses and the oil itself that I had no problem with it, and this is what I came up with. Gorgeous cheesy bread called pão de queijo. You have to try it. It's delicious and the kids love it.